Let's show you smart fields in action in our marketing campaign example. So imagine you are the head of a marketing campaign, in this case the campaign for your participation in the Team Europe 2025. For this campaign, of course, there are lots of different things to keep track of. Designing the booth, having enough goodies, having nice t-shirts, having some ads going beforehand so that everyone knows we're coming, and more. You probably have an overall budget for your campaign, and each of those work items in your campaign will have some cost. If you would now want to see what the remaining budget is, you would have to go through all the subtasks, check out the cost, and compare it to the budget you have. Instead, we have a remaining budget smart field that does that work for you, so you don't have to actually go in here and collect that information and search around for it. This one just automatically takes the budget that's stored in the main campaign and subtracts all the costs that are associated with the different parts of that campaign. And we can show you how this is dynamically calculated. You see your budget is running low, so you asked for a budget extension and you got it. So you update the budget, and this update triggers an issue updated event, and that again triggers the recalculation of our smart fields here. So the additional 10,000 euro in budget are reflected within a few seconds in your remaining budget field in your work item. And this is an example of a custom field that's built to your process and your data, but there are also other helpful fields, lots of them, that you can create simply by using one of our templates. So a typical thing to track progress in a bigger campaign like this would be to track how many of the subtasks are already completed. So this percentage of completed subtask template is doing exactly that for you. The last example I want to show you is an example of a text field in comparison to the smart number field that we have up here. That shows that you can do a little bit more than just displaying text in your text field. For example, by displaying icons, we are using this to display a traffic light status of the whole campaign, and you configure the rules behind it the way you need them. In our case, it's pretty simple. It's just connected to the due date. So the closer the due date comes, the redder this light gets. So at the moment there's still some time till August 1st, but if I get a little closer to where we are right now, we would see, well, just 2 days remaining. That's not good. That is something where we should worry about if we get everything done for this campaign, so the status switches to red. And these are just 3 little examples of helpful insights that help you keep track of more complex work items like this without having to leave the work item and search around for the information elsewhere, be it in subtasks or in connected tasks or in assets, for example, that are connected. You can get all that information directly in your smart fields without having to go look around, so it can save you valuable time to get to your insight.